How to fix TikTok randomly logged you out. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix TikTok randomly logging you out. But before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So if TikTok is actually logging you out again and again, what you can do is first you will need to sign back in into your account. So sign in into your account, and after you sign in into your account, you will need to reset your password. To reset your password, tap on the three lines on the top right, then head over to your settings and privacy and head over to your account. On your account, you'll find the password section. Tap on password, and here you will need to reset your password. Now, TikTok has a specific article about this, that if you're facing this issue where you're automatically logged out again and again, you will need to, simply reset your password once and check if it works. So try to do that. And I'll show you guys another fix as well. So after you're on your settings and privacy here, scroll down until you find an option that says free up space. It's under cache and mobile. Tap on free up space, and then all you have to do is clear out your cache. Tap on clear and then clear out your cache. And doing that should help you fix the issue as well. And yeah, all you have to do is clear out your cache and change or reset your password, and that will fix your problem. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.